Ever wondered why your garden struggles to thrive during those hot, dry summer months? The challenges of gardening in such climates can be daunting. The intense heat and lack of moisture can place enormous stress on your plants, leading them to wilt or even perish. It's a common plight many gardeners face, watching their green spaces struggle under the scorching sun, thirsting for water. But don't worry, garden enthusiasts. There are ways to beat the heat and keep your garden flourishing. Here are some practical and easy-to-follow tips to help your garden thrive, even in the harshest climates. Firstly, consider selecting drought-tolerant plants. These are plants that have adapted to survive in arid conditions, and they can be both beautiful and hardy. Some examples include lavender, rosemary, and agave. Next, mulch is your best friend. It works to retain soil moisture and prevent evaporation, which is key in a hot and dry environment. Plus, it can add a neat, finished look to your garden beds. Watering is another crucial aspect to consider. Watering deeply but infrequently encourages plant roots to grow deeper into the soil, making them more resilient in the face of drought. Creating shade can also be beneficial. Consider installing a shade cloth or planting larger plants to protect smaller ones from extreme heat. This can create a microclimate that's more conducive for plant growth. Lastly, improving your soil quality can greatly enhance water retention. Organic matter, like compost or well-rotted manure, can be mixed into your soil to help it retain more moisture. With these tips, you can turn your garden into a thriving oasis, even in the peak of summer. Before you rush out to implement these tips in your garden, take a moment to like this video if you found it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more top-notch gardening advice and insights. Remember, for more great gardening advice, hit that like button and subscribe. Keep your garden growing no matter the weather. Thank you for watching.